Synchronized metallic motion cuts the wheat, separating the grains. These grains become flour, carefully controlled for cookies. Autonomous vehicles transport harvested wheat to the grain station. The supply chain for cookies is now activated. Gigantic grain silos standing near the edge of the wheat processing station. Every cookie begins with carefully harvested wheat. Robotic systems scan wheat grains for moisture and purity. Precision technology ensures superior cookie ingredients. A massive grain elevator lifts wheat to the upper levels of storage towers. Automated gates release measured quantities of wheat toward the cleaning facility. Industrial cookies production continues with strict precision. The cookies factory process officially begins. High-speed air blowers remove dust and impurities from the wheat. Fine fire and harsh pressure. Each step prepares the raw material for perfect cookies. Magnetic separators scan wheat grains moving on steel conveyors by power magnets. This guarantees safe ingredients for cookies. Advanced optical scanners analyze each thread. Only premium wheat continues toward the cookies flour milling process. Rejected grains slide away through automated diversion channels. These selected grains will soon become flour used for cookies. Purified wheat moves smoothly toward the milling section. Soon it will be crushed into cookie flour. The system advances to the milling phase. The ground wheat passes through vibrating metal sifters. Large particles are separated while fine flour falls through. This grade continues its controlled grinding sequence. Industrial air filters remove fine dust and flour for process stream. The good texture of flour robotic accuracy.
Binding pressure stable. Flour quality perfect for cookies production.
Large centrifugal sifters refine the flour into finer powder. Rotating can spoon the flour cooked to the flour many times with every cycle. Powerful pneumatic conveyors transport the white flour flows like a soft cloud inside the tube. The factory system continues its automated rhythm.
Flour texture approved, ready for cookies dough preparation.
Large rotating screens filter flour through multiple layers of steel mesh. The cookie fine frost is a system. Industrial air separators remove remaining bran from the flour stream. The remaining powder becomes the factory maintains strict ingredient quality.
Maida definition perfect, ready for cookies mixing stage.
Digital sensors constantly check humidity and flour quality. Automated systems maintain the perfect environment for cookies ingredients. Robotic systems continue working silently. Mechanical conveyors transport Maida powder toward mixing machines, where it will combine with sugar and butter to make cookie dough.
Ingredient ratios confirmed. Start cookies dough mixing.
Powerful mixing blades slowly combine all ingredients. The mixture thickens as flour and butter blend, forming the base dough for cookies. The factory continues its automated rhythm. Industrial mixing drums rotate continuously, with the dough becomes smoother with each mechanical rotation. Sensors monitor every movement in the cookies mixer.
Dough consistency perfect. Cookies shaping stage ready. Dough thickness perfect, cookie shaping ready. Sheet thickness stable. Cookies shaping will be perfect.
Cooling fans blow gently across the dough sheet's surface. Temperature control keeps the cookies dough stable during shaping.
Alignment confirmed. Start cookies shape cutting. Cookie shapes uniform, cutting system performing perfectly.
Thousands of stamped cookies travel toward the massive baking ovens. The cookies production process prepares for baking.
Temperature ready. Cookies baking process starting.
Temperature sensors continuously monitor the baking chamber. Digital systems adjust the cookie's texture. Every cookie's piece receives identical baking conditions.
Temperature stable. Cookies baking perfectly. Baking complete. Cookies ready for cooling stage.
Perfectly cooled cookies travel toward the next processing to neat rows. The cookies factory prepares for assembly.
Quality approved. Cookies ready for cream filling. Cream level perfect. These sandwich forming smoothly.
Alignment guides ensure each sandwich is centered. Sensors confirm height and factory standards. Automation maintains flawless assembly.
Assembly complete. Cookies ready for packaging.
The cooling airflow spreads evenly across every cookie's tray. Moisture slowly stabilizes. This step protects the texture of cookies.
The cooling system keeps stabilizing the cookies.
Sensors measure cookies' internal temperature precisely. Cooling speed adjusts automatically through smart systems that corrects prep.
The cookies inspection stage begins.
Rejected cookies fall into recycling containers. These cookies will later be reused in food processing. Nothing is wasted. Automated counters calculate cookies quantity per batch. Each batch moves forward to packaging machines. Sensors confirm perfect case for planning. The cookies conveyor approaches the packaging area. Stacks of cookies move in synchronizing and automatically. The final stage approaches.
The cookies packaging stage begins.
Vacuum sealing removes excess air from packages. This keeps cookies fresh for long storage. Packaging continues at high speed.
The packaging line runs perfectly.
Automated printers add production date and batch codes. This ensures safety and quality tracking. Industrial standards remain strict.
The cookies factory production continues endlessly. Every carton must be sealed perfectly before shipping. Each barcode must be clear for warehouse scanning. Each barcode must be clear for warehouse scanning.
Industrial cameras inspect the printed labels on every carton. The machines detect smudged or damaged barcode prints. Printing errors is automatically removed. Mechanical systems synchronize the conveyor speed precisely. Every cookie carton is now sealed, labeled, and ready for stacking. Digital monitors confirm the pallet load of cookie cartons. The cookies are now ready for the next machine area.
Make sure the cookie cartons are wrapped tightly for delivery. Lanes are open. Let's move the pallets. Ready. Moving to shipping now.
Sensors monitor the environment. The system ensures cookie freshness. Each pallet is tracked with real-time data. The warehouse runs fully automated.
All pallets must be correctly stored to avoid mix-ups.
Truck doors remain open while sensors monitor pallet placement. The automated system provides efficiency and safety.
All cookie pallets must be perfectly secured for delivery.
Forklifts assist in adjusting final pallet positions. Truck interior sensors confirm all pallets are stable. The cookie shipments are ready for departure.
Digital tracking systems activate on the truck. GPS monitors route and ensures timely delivery. Warehouse screens update efficiency in transit.
Automated systems are tracking every carton remotely. The journey to stores and markets begins.